Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about why you feel like you have nothing to wear even though you have a closet full of clothes. I know this is something that a lot of women are struggling with. I have been like that a couple of years ago, so I decided to share some tips that help me to always have an outfit for different occasions. Tip number one is choosing your color palette. Pick a few colors that you like and it suits your complexions. For example, my color palette is white, black, beige, and gray. These are the colors that I can easily mix and match with each other, so I can create different looks even though I'm re-wearing the same pieces. You can find your own color palette. One good tip to do that is taking outfit pictures and look at those pictures and see what color suits you the most. And usually when you're wearing certain colors, you receive compliments if those colors suit you. So that's a great way to find your color palette. Once you have your color palette, shopping for clothes would become easier because you have less options to choose. Let's say you like a blazer and it comes in green and yellow. And you know that yellow is not your color palette, but green is. Green is a color that suits you. So this would become an easier choice for you to get the green blazer. Tip number two is buy clothes that match your lifestyle. This is probably one of the most important tips in this video. What I mean by your lifestyle, let's say you need to figure out where do you go often and what do you do normally. Do you need to dress fancy most of the time because of your job or your social life, or you need to dress more casually? Let's say you need to walk a lot because of your job, or you need to stand up most of the time. So you need to wear comfortable shoes, comfortable pants, and overall casual look. So in this case, if you only buy high heel shoes and dresses, you end up not having any clothes that matches your day-to-day life and you feel like you don't have anything to wear. So in this case, what's good is to go for loafers, sneakers, and some flat shoes and some comfortable pants that you can wear on a daily basis. And you don't need to dress sloppy if you want to dress casually. You can easily elevate those casual pieces by styling them in a certain way that looks polished and put together. Tip number three is wear your normal size. This is something that when I was younger I used to do. When going for shopping, I used to get one size smaller because I thought that would make me look skinnier. But if you get the wrong size, you'll be uncomfortable in your clothes and you end up not wearing them. To me, sizing doesn't matter. You could be large in one brand and you could be small in another one. Just always get something that's comfortable for your body. What I suggest is when you go shopping, go for your regular size and also try one size bigger and one size smaller and try all three of them and see which one you're more comfortable to wear. Tip number four is have outfit formula, or what I like to call it, a uniform. What I mean is have a formula that whenever you have no idea what to wear, you can always reach out for those. Let's say for me in summer, that would be wide leg pants and a tank top and a pair of sandals and a belt. And in winter, that would again be wide leg pants, a turtleneck, a long coat, and boots. This formula would always work for me no matter what the occasion is. If it's restaurant, going for coffee, even going to office, this formula would work for me. This outfit formula is something that I'm most comfortable to wear. I like to wear wide leg pants because I have pear-shaped body type and I like to wear something that's loose around my hips because I have quite wider hips compared to my upper body. So you can look for what suits your body type and what you're comfortable to wear and come up with these formulas. For example, it could be a tank top and a pair of jeans and a blazer and some flat shoes for you. This would probably take some time to figure out what this formula would be for you. What you could do is take a look at the pictures that you took from your outfits in the recent years and figure out what you end up re-wearing. Tip number five is getting good quality basics. By basics, I mean jeans, pants, tops, blazers, coats. These are some staple pieces that once you master them, you always have different outfits. You can mix and match them easily and create different looks. And because you are buying good quality pieces, they can always stay in your wardrobe and you don't have to repurchase them. Something else that you need to consider when it comes to basics, try to buy separate pieces. Let's say instead of buying a dress, it's better to buy a skirt and a top, so you can pair those pieces with your existing wardrobe and create different looks. Tip number 6 is don't follow trends and stick to classic pieces. These days, trends are really short-lived. Some of them only stay for a month, and it's quite impossible to avoid them because you see them everywhere in social media, on the streets. So what I do is I inject trends that suit my style and my body type, and I know that I'm gonna wear those when those trends are out. Let's say this year maxi skirts were so trendy. I know that this piece is actually a classic item. It has been here for a very long time, and I know it's gonna come back in the future as well. So aside from a trendy piece, it's something that I know I'm gonna wear when that trend is over. And also, I know it's an item that I can easily mix it with my existing wardrobe. I can wear it with flat shoes, with tops, with blazers, with button shirt. It's just so versatile. So always look for those trends that match your style. Last tip is decluttering your wardrobe. Once you declutter your wardrobe, you end up having more space, and you can also see what exactly you have in your wardrobe. And another good thing that comes out of it is you see what items you are missing. So next time that you go shopping, you have this plan. You know, let's say you need a pair of black straight leg pants. This is something that's missing in your wardrobe. When you go shopping, you have this plan to look for this certain type of pants. That was it, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video useful. And if you did, please subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye, guys.